Hello everyone, and welcome to part 4 of our English learning series. In this lesson, we will learn 50 important English phrases that you can use in your daily life. Each phrase includes a natural reply, clear pronunciation, and Arabic translation. Just listen, repeat, and practice with me. Are you ready? Let's get started. Can you wait for me, please? Can you wait for me, please?
Of course, I can wait. Of course, I can wait.
Can we reschedule our appointment? Can we reschedule our appointment?
Sure, what time works for you? Sure, what time works for you?
Where can I find this item? Where can I find this item?
You can find it over there. You can find it over there.
Why don't we meet at the station? Why don't we meet at the station?
Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan.
I need some information. I need some information.
I'll help you find it. I'll help you find it.
Don't forget your bag. Don't forget your bag.
Thank you for reminding me. Thank you for reminding me.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Let's go have a look. Let's go have a look.
Let's go. Let's go.
I forgot to lock the front door. I forgot to lock the front door.
You should go back and check. You should go back and check.
Which subject do you like the most? Which subject do you like the most?
English is my favorite subject. English is my favorite subject.
Please write it down. Please write it down.
No problem. No problem.
I need to change my clothes. I need to change my clothes.
Okay, I will wait for you here. Okay, I will wait for you here.
Can you fix this problem for me? Can you fix this problem for me?
Sure, I'll try to help you. Sure, I'll try to help you.
What happened to your phone? What happened to your phone?
I dropped it by accident. I dropped it by accident.
Could you turn up the volume, please? Could you turn up the volume, please?
Sure, is this loud enough? Sure, is this loud enough?
I'll pay. I'll pay.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Could you wait a moment, please? Could you wait a moment, please?
Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem.
You have to take it easy. You have to take it easy.
You're right. You're right.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Yes, I'd love something to eat. Yes, I'd love something to eat.
It's my fault. It's my fault.
Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes.
I don't understand this question. I don't understand this question.
Let me explain it to you. Let me explain it to you.
Everything is ready. Everything is ready.
Let's begin. Let's begin.
Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks. Take care. Thanks. Take care.
I am proud of your achievement. I am proud of your achievement.
Thank you. That means a lot to me. Thank you. That means a lot to me.
Hold on a second. Hold on a second.
Take your time. Take your time.
Please turn off the lights. Please turn off the lights.
Okay, I will. Okay, I will.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
My birthday is in December. My birthday is in December.
Are you ready for the lesson? Are you ready for the lesson?
Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready.
Can I taste a piece of this cake? Can I taste a piece of this cake?
Of course. Tell me what you think. Of course. Tell me what you think.
Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling?
Because I got some good news. Because I got some good news.
I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm not feeling well today. I'm not feeling well today.
You should get some rest. You should get some rest.
Would you like to come to my party? Would you like to come to my party?
Yes, I'd be happy to come. Yes, I'd be happy to come.
Is that enough? Is that enough?
Yes, that's enough. Yes, that's enough.
Please be quiet. Please be quiet.
Okay, I will. Okay, I will.
Could you close the door, please? Could you close the door, please?
Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem.
What are you worried about? What are you worried about?
I'm worried about my exam. I'm worried about my exam.
Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here. No, you can sit here.
Can I tell you something? Can I tell you something?
Sure, go ahead. Sure, go ahead.
I've never seen that before. I've never seen that before.
Really. Really.
Would you like to have a seat? Would you like to have a seat?
Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you.
Could you speak louder, please? Could you speak louder, please?
Sure, I will. Sure, I will.
How long does it take to get there? How long does it take to get there?
It takes about 20 minutes. It takes about 20 minutes.
That looks great. That looks great.
I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you like it.
I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone.
You can use my charger. You can use my charger.
What do you suggest? What do you suggest?
I suggest taking a short break. I suggest taking a short break.
Let's meet after work. Let's meet after work.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Can you check this for me? Can you check this for me?
Sure, I'll check it. Sure, I'll check it.
I'm sorry, I made a mistake. I'm sorry, I made a mistake.
Don't worry. It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay.
Do you need an umbrella? Do you need an umbrella?
Yes, it looks like it's going to rain. Yes, it looks like it's going to rain.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.